We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry...
Hey, happy Vlogmas. Well, this is actually day 3. So what happened was I've been filming on my phone, and this is where I usually like film vlogs from, is my phone. But it won't process because I think the ratio on my phone does not process in the Google Photos. So what I do is I'll film it, and then I'll send it to Google Photos, download it to the computer, put it in things to edit it, and then that's when I'll upload it. But I think the ratio was like way too big or something for like Google Photos. So yeah, so it's like, oh shoot, it's like I couldn't do it. So this is gonna be officially the first day, and I'm gonna have to upload this tonight in order for it to be up tomorrow, and then I'll have it released tomorrow. So this is officially Vlogmas day 1, so that means I'll have to be vlogging all the way through like December because I'm late. Anyway, so I am cleaning up the house. It is 9:09 and my daughter gets out like 11 something. So I'm gonna kind of prop you guys up and then, you know, turn on my music, and then you'll see me cleaning up or whatnot. The house was a disaster, so yeah, this is my basic, you know me, I'm basic. I'm a mom, so it's like the only thing I do really is cook, clean, and yeah, every once in a while I'll do my makeup. So I'll probably do a few makeup tutorials on here or something like that, because I'm always like, you know, ooh. I'm always like, you know, like this. So I do a few makeup tutorials on days that I am actually feeling well. I've been having a toothache, so it really sucks. But I'm trying to like get myself moving, and I take painkillers, and unfortunately that's what I have to do to feel better. But yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna clean up. I already did the dishes, and I sprayed down my bathtub, and then let the steam and the hot water like kind of work in like the cleaning product, I guess. And then after that, I'm about to go vacuum the living room right now, and then I have to do Daisy's cage, which is my rabbit, because she has stuff everywhere, and she's really like, she's a greedy bunny. So I mean, I have to almost clean out her cage almost every day because of the way she like uses the bathroom all the time. So so yeah, and bunnies already use the bathroom a lot anyway, so yeah, she just uses the bathroom twice more than a regular bunny probably. Anyways, so what's up? For a little bit I put out I think 2 cleaning vlogs, so I think I'm gonna kind of incorporate these cleaning vlogs into my Vlogmas as well. So yeah, as of right now, like I said, I'm cooking. I'm gonna go see what my husband has done with the outside. Let's see what he has up already. He's not outside. He must be conversating, so we're just... He is not conversating. We'll definitely hang up the stockings for Christmas and get that done. We have specific stockings with our names on it, but I think Liv's might be the Cinderella one this year because she's been watching Cinderella a lot. So, and we have a Cinderella stocking for her, so I think that's probably what we're gonna put up for that one, or for her. But yeah, I just you know, I have to also, I think this month, take her to the dentist because with Liv's tooth, one of her teeth fell out. One of her teeth, whatever. Anyway, the tooth in the front right here fell out for her. And the way it's growing back is the tooth back here is growing back, and like behind the gap, I guess, if that makes sense, behind like 2 other teeth. And I don't know what's going on with that. It's that she's only 5. I want to make sure that her teeth are healthy. I want to make sure her teeth are good, and they grow back properly. So I have to take her to the dentist. I have to go in for another doctor's appointment, I believe, because I don't know if I told you guys that I had like, I take pills right now because of, it's a blood thinner because of the pulmonary blood clots issue I had going on. So yeah, that's what I have to do this month. It's gonna be pretty, I'd say this month is gonna be pretty busy. I think tomorrow night was actually supposed to go tonight. Anyway, we'll probably go tomorrow night. I want to go take her a local around here. We have a big, huge Christmas tree at one of these parks around here, and it's gorgeous. So I want to go take Liv to go see it. It is absolutely like A1, like gorgeous. I want her to get in front of it and take pictures, and then probably gonna go take her to see Santa. There's like a little free like thing by this market. There's like a Santa that's over there, also an ice skating rink, but I don't think we're going to that this year. I'm not sure though. Santa's over there, and you get a picture or whatever, and the kid gets to take pictures with Santa. So I think that's what we'll be doing with that. Also, I think I'm getting a piercing on the 13th of this month as well. I am going with my brother's girlfriend, which is probably going to be my sister-in-law soon, because, I mean, they're already pretty much married. But, yeah, that's what I'll be doing, and I think my hair is wild, you guys. My hair is wild. Anyway, hashtag mixed problems. It's like, it's gonna be like a bar or something, or I want to do like right here, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. I don't even know if I want to get this piercing, only because I have a lip piercing, I have a nose piercing, and I also have 2 holes in my ear already. I don't want to go too overboard with my piercings, and I don't want to, you know, there's nothing wrong with piercings. There's nothing wrong with changing your body. If you want to change it, do what you do. If it makes you feel better, do it. I'm all for it. But for me, I don't know yet, so we shall see how that goes. Yeah. So I might just go as moral support just because. Also, I think I might be going to go see my grandmother in the Bay Area. So yeah, she lives in the SF area in Cali. So I might be going to do that. I want to go take my daughter to go see her and my dad. So there's a lot of stuff that I'll be doing. I just, you know, I gotta make sure they can get all my ducks in a row. Anyway, so how are you guys doing? Yeah, I say a lot. This is ridiculous. Anyway, yeah. I think that's about it. I'm excited for Vlogmas. I'm excited for Christmas. And yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna let this cook. I got that over there for their. This is just. Don't mind my pots. They're old. That's for the taquitos I have to make after the chicken's done and I shred it up. So yeah, I'm gonna go sit down. I'm gonna turn off this bathroom light. I'm gonna go sit down and watch some news. So apparently my daughter likes to touch my makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna go sit down and watch some news and see what's going on in the world these days. So yeah. So I am making consomme. I think it's like a broth, chicken broth, I believe. And I put chicken in, I put tomatoes in, and then I'm gonna be making my own taquitos later. With the baked chicken, the boiled chicken that I am boiling right now. And I put, it looks like this. I put onions in, and I put salt, and I put pepper in there. That's gonna be like a chicken broth or whatever. And yeah, that's gonna be paired with the, taquitos. Yeah, so this is going on now. Pretty much my husband is outside. He's putting up lights, and I look like a hot mess today, so sorry. I look like a hot mess today. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I'm making for dinner. Taquitos and chicken broth to pair with it, whatever. And then my husband probably is gonna have like, you know, some salsa that he's gonna dip the taquitos in and all that whatnot. And then me, I'm just probably gonna just have the chicken broth and the taquitos, and my daughter. She'll probably have just the taquitos, and I'll probably make her something else on the side 'cause she's a picky eater. So yeah. So yeah, that's what's going on today. I'm gonna be editing this vlog tonight just so I can get it out. I'm a hot mess today, so like I said, excuse me. And yeah. Hello. What I did was pretty much, this is the chicken broth right here. So what I did is take something like this, or you could take like a sifter, I think, like a flat one, and like get all the tomatoes, get the onions out and whatnot, get all the other stuff out. My chicken is pretty much like, I'm gonna hold you guys with this hand. My chicken is pretty much done, and yeah, I'm just freaking taking the chicken out of the broth, and I'm gonna pour the broth into that clear thing there. And then I'm gonna shred up my chicken. And yeah, and I'm just trying to sift out all this stuff here. I'm probably gonna take my like little what do you call it? That little thing where you drain the water off, because this kind of doesn't really catch everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to get every little last bit of chicken out of here. And then yeah, I'm probably gonna take some chicken broth and like when I shred this just to make it soft. I already put my oil in there. I'm just using vegetable oil, not the healthiest oil. You can use canola oil or any oil of your choice. So yeah, what I'm doing is I'm putting it in here and I'm rolling it. Looks like this, and then I'm gonna put it over there. Too close to the heat, so when I put them down, like that, so like it kind of like goes up. Do like one at a time so I can. Okay. Oh, look at that! What do you know? Wow! Look at that! There's different settings to the tree too. I gotta show you. We only took it out. We didn't like put anything else up. So what I'm gonna do is show you real quick. Oops.
Let me do this.
She's gonna eat hers. She's looking at the chicken on the inside. Be throwing the chicken out. Come on.
Okay.
It's just chicken, baby.
Where does this stuff?
Okay. No, you just bite it, baby. You just bite it. You just bite it. It's a taquito. Well, this is flour tortilla, so yeah. Okay, go ahead. But see, what you think?
Good.
Good. Okay. So it's Olivia approved. Olivia approved. Yay! What's wrong? So I'm done, and I just made. I know, just made regular noodles with this, and the broth I'm gonna save for another time, and. That my husband's sick, so that's why I'm gonna save that broth for him. But we're about to watch Home Alone. Oh, what happened? What's going on? Oh, I watch Home Alone on Disney Plus. Home Alone 2, I believe. And we got the tree. And yeah. That was a little inside of my first time actually making taquitos by myself. So I hope you guys
Taquitos, Taquitos,
so,
ranch. Taquitos.
And I'm about to get a first taste. I'm gonna hold this. I got ranch and mustard. I like mustard ranch. So here we go. I'm gonna taste it. Get your finger out the way. Get out. Ready? I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but Good. Crunchy like a chip. Soft on the inside.
Stop.